Alright, so I now come on this chart here. Let me see if I can find anything. Oh wait. Oh, look at that, something here. Well, I'm gonna take this trade here. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah boy. This is a good trade. What's up guys? So today we'll be talking about timing, right? How often have you gone into your chart and as soon as you sit down in front of your computer or you sit in front of your screen or your monitor, your laptop or tablet or whatever, as soon as you sit there, within 5 minutes or less, you find an entry and then you take the trade and only to have it lose? Do you realize that this is a timing issue? You realize that the more you try to sit and look for trades, the more you lose. You ever realize that? Is it that you're telling me that you have such impeccable timing that you could literally just enter the chart, you can open the chart at any point in time and then all of a sudden you're going to get a good trade? That's not how it works. I've said this multiple times and I'm saying it to you today to let you learn something that is very, very important. An analysis is visual, meaning it's what you can perform an analysis anytime and it's just purely based on what you see. You can literally open a chart any time of the day, Saturday, Sunday, anytime, and you can literally produce an analysis. Entry is opportune. In other words, the entry is based on when the opportunity does present itself. So you can have an analysis, you can perform an analysis on Saturday, Sunday or whenever, but you can wait days, sometimes maybe even weeks to find the entry because price has to do certain things. It has to perform certain criteria, rules, and get to certain areas before you can even find the opportunity to enter. You cannot be in the right place at the right time each and every single time. That's not how this thing works. And you'll quickly begin to realize that if you stop and try to smell the roses and realize that every time you enter all willy-nilly, you just open the chart and you find an entry that you lose, it's because you are not at the right place at the right time. You do not have impeccable timing. And even if you do, that is most likely not going to be a consistent thing. It's not going to be something that happens every single time. There are going to be the instances where you just happen to open your chart and you see something that looks just like your entry. But in actuality, most times you need to wait for the opportunity to actually present itself so that you can take the right trade. One of the things I'll tell you that can help with this is one, setting alerts, because alerts will bring your attention back to the market right when you need to be there, right when the opportunity is saying, hey, take the trade, go get it, go look, engage with the market and execute. One of the things I'm telling you that really helps a lot is alerts. Another thing that would help you in your trading is just moving away from the market. Go do something else. By moving away from the market and by moving away from all of the hustle and bustle and craziness that is these candles and bars and Renko and all of that, by moving away from that, what you're actually doing is you're not only distracting yourself from things that may not necessarily be true, but you're also allowing yourself to live a life, the life that you say you want to live. You're allowing yourself to live that life, and thus you're going to be at more peace. Once you're at more peace within your trading becomes a lot more stable. So this is a very short video, but it's something that I really wanted to discuss this morning, where you do not have impeccable timing, so don't play like you do. I myself have fallen victim to this, where I would literally enter the market. I would open my chart, and as soon as I open the chart, I have an entry. But that's not how it works, and even if it works like that, that's not something that you should be practicing every single time. Don't be afraid to open the chart, look at everything, analyze currency pairs, perform your analysis, draw, do whatever you have to do, and walk away, because the opportunity is not there right at that point. Yeah? So I hope that this made some sense to you. I hope that you grab something and learn something from this, because I think that this is a very potent idea and concept to kind of understand. Other than that, if you have any questions, you can contact me directly at EkataTrading on Telegram, Instagram, TikTok or YouTube. You can email me as well. The email will be in the description below. Comment below what you think. Do you do this? Do you open the chart and as soon as you open the chart you get an entry? Is that something that you do? If it is, comment it below and like the video. If it is you do this, let me know that you do this and it's something that you feel like you want to make a change to. Yeah? Other than that guys, see you all in the next one.